Before language, before memory, there was a code, written not in ink, but in root, in crystal, in stone. Every fern sealed inside ancient ice is a sentence the earth refused to forget. Every spiral a tree grows around itself, a blueprint older than any civilization ever built. Nature does not create at random. It architects. It engineers portals between worlds, fire and forest, ocean and sky, held open by forces we are only beginning to understand. The meteor does not fall. It arrives, carrying inside its fractured shell the original instructions for everything. We call it wilderness.